The Masters of Integrated Water Management, or the Masters as we call it, is our flagship product. It has 2 routes, full-time and part-time, and 3 streams depending on the area of integrated water management in which you want to specialise. So the first one is international development, and the international development stream of the Masters focuses primarily on rural development and community development, and looks into quite a lot of detail at water sanitation and hygiene, at WASH interventions, which are a key component of international development in rural situations. The urban water stream, it does what it says on the tin. Really, it's for people who are interested in understanding water and its relationships to urban sustainability. So there we look at stormwater, we look at ecological function inside and downstream of cities. We look at alternative water supply systems, water recycling, rainwater and stormwater harvesting. We look at resource efficiency. We look at energy recovery. We look at urban agriculture as a way of reusing some of the waste products from urban water. And then the third stream, water, land and people, I suppose is really about water resources. It's about water resources at a catchment or even larger, a regional scale. It's got content in there about how you can characterise and evaluate trade-offs between water use across environment, agriculture, water supply and industry. It's also got key skills for implementation. So having characterised trade-offs, maybe there's a need to change water allocation, to reduce water allocation to one group and increase it to another. And these situations are very difficult. They're full of conflict potentially and tension. And so there's collaborative planning, stakeholder engagement and conflict management skills within that stream. I mentioned 2 routes, full-time and part-time. Full-time is largely international, but we have a substantial number of domestics. Part-time is wholly domestic. You have to be either an Australian or New Zealand citizen in order to get the visa to study part-time. So full-time and part-time. Part-time is spread over 3 years, full-time is over 1.5 years. 2 semesters of taught for the full-time and 1 semester of a final project, ideally out on placement with organisations. And the part-time do 2 years of taught, and then their final project is spread over 1 year.